In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for tasks in Wrike. Being able to quickly find the right task is essential, especially when you're working on multiple projects or collaborating with a large team. Wrike has a powerful search feature that makes this much easier, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use it in a simple, clear way. First, open Wrike and make sure you're on the main workspace view where you can see your folders, projects, or tasks. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a navigation area. This is where Wrike keeps most of your key tools, and it's also where you'll find the search option. Look towards the left side and find the search field or search icon. It's usually easy to spot, often represented by a magnifying glass or a text bar labeled for search. Go ahead and click on that search area. Once you click it, Wrike will activate the search function and you'll be ready to type in what you're looking for. Now, in the search field, start typing the task name or any specific details you remember. This might be the exact title of the task, part of the name, a keyword from the description, or any unique phrase someone might have used when creating it. The more specific you can be, the better your results will be, but don't worry if you don't remember everything exactly. Wrike is usually quite good at matching partial names and common keywords. As you type, Wrike will begin to show you matching tasks, often in real time. You'll see a list appear with tasks that include your search terms in their titles or details. Take a moment to scan through the results and look for the exact task you need. Pay attention to things like the project or folder it belongs to, or any dates or assignees displayed, to make sure you're clicking on the right one. Once you see the correct task in the results, simply click on it. Wrike will open that task for you, allowing you to view the full details, update the status, add comments, or make any other changes you need. If you don't find what you're looking for right away, try adjusting your search terms. Use different keywords, check your spelling, or try a broader or simpler version of the task name. With a bit of practice, using the search on the left side and typing in the task name or details will become a quick and natural part of how you work in Wrike.